Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by confirming the exact Google account that holds the Google One subscription. This prevents canceling the wrong plan. Once signed in on the app or at Google.com, navigate straight to the Account or Settings tab where membership details live. Make sure you note the next billing date and payment method so you know when charges will stop. This first step gives you context and control. Once done, move to Membership Controls to manage or cancel the plan. You now go into Membership or Plan Settings to find the cancellation control. These options are sometimes under a three-dot menu, so scan carefully. Select Manage Membership and read the prompts. Google will show effects like storage limits and lost benefits. That's why you review family sharing or backups first. If you're part of a family plan, make sure you understand who will lose storage. Once you confirm changes, follow the on-screen steps to proceed toward canceling or downgrading. Finish by selecting Cancel Membership and read each confirmation to understand when access ends and whether you keep reduced storage temporarily. Then confirm the cancellation. You'll receive an email receipt. Save that screenshot or message for records and double-check the account to ensure billing stops next cycle. If the cancel button is missing, make sure you're the plan owner or remove family members first. If problems persist, contact Google support via the Help section while keeping your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.